I'm Chris Wills, Director of Training at RDI Technologies, and I'd like to welcome you to another installment of Tips and Tricks.
Welcome everyone, my name is Mike Siosis. I'm the Technical Sales Manager with RDI. I'm here to discuss how to activate licenses for add-on features for your motion amplification system. There are add-on packages available such as the IRIS-MX, the high-speed plugin, IRIS-M tachometer, and the IRIS-M color camera that empowers users to record video in more dynamic conditions using the same motion amplification software package. Please reach out to RDI regarding interest in these add-ons and to discuss different applications and use cases. For new users, RDI will properly configure your system so that it arrives ready to go. For existing users who are already working with the motion amplification software, a simple license update is required. RDI updates your license on the server whenever new add-ons or systems are acquired, and a license refresh will synchronize any updates with your software. Let me show you how to make that happen. First, we need to open a component of the software to see the license information. Any component will work. I'm going to use Motion Explorer. Once Motion Explorer opens, we're going to navigate to the eye icon in the top right. Here we'll see some information about our software, and at the bottom here is information about our license, including our license ID and a box here for details. When I open details, you'll see a table here of the different add-ons and features and whether they are activated, meaning they're true, or if they're not activated and they're false. Here you'll see I have the tachometer and the color camera. They're both labeled false. What this means is that if I was to connect the tachometer or the color camera, my software won't recognize them. We'll have to have the license updated first, and then these systems will be recognized and available for use. So I'm going to hit OK. There's a button next to Manage License. I'm going to click on this. You might get a box about Motion Monitor and Motion Explorer. This is in reference to our IRIS-CM multi-camera recording system. If you use an IRIS-CM, give us a call. We can help you with any questions here. Otherwise, you can leave this first option selected and click OK. You'll now have a box here on which action and which communication protocol you'll use. I want to refresh my license, and the easiest path is to use this computer's internet connection, which I have active right now. If your computer does not have an internet connection, you can use another computer's internet connection by selecting this box. This will make a request license file. You'll move the file to the other computer and use the other computer to make a communication path to the license server. For my example, I'm going to use this computer's internet connection, and I'm going to click Next. This will start the communication process. It just takes a moment, and you'll see here that it is completed. I will hit Finish. To check for changes, I'm going to click on Details. You will now see that all of my add-ons are active, including now my tachometer and color camera. I will click OK. It is good to then shut down the software and reopen it. And once it reopens, you are ready to use your new add-ons.
This is Chris Wills reminding you to visit us online at www.rditechnologies.com for the latest motion amplification tips and tricks.